Hello students. Last class we discussed about the clipper circuit. In the clipper circuit we discussed about all the types of positive clippers. In this class we will discuss about the negative clippers. So name itself negative portion of waveform, negative portion of waveform clip away. Waveform is clip away. That means what is the meaning of clip away? Clip away is nothing but removing. In our waveform is combination of positive wave as well as negative wave. This negative wave is removed. The clippers which are used for the removing the negative portion of the AC sinusoidal waveform, that is called negative clippers. In this we have lot of types of negative clippers. In that, first is the negative series clipper. What is the meaning of series clipper? Series means the diode and resistor both are in series connection. Negative clipper means negative portion of the AC sinusoidal wave is removed. This is biased clipper and unbiased clipper. There is no voltage. That's why it is unbiased clipper. Unbiased clipper. For look at here, for positive wave, for positive cycle, diode acts as short circuit. Diode acts as short circuit. Look at here, diode on. So diode on means the circuit will become like this. This is the resistor. This is the resistor. This is the input voltage and this is the output voltage. So total input voltage will be available at the output. That is output equal to input. So look at here, input is the dotted line. That dotted line will be same as the output. So it become the, for positive wave it is the input. And for negative wave, for negative half cycle, what happened? Look at here. So for negative half cycle, this is the negative is applied to the P, then it become open circuit. So for negative it will become open circuit. Then the total voltage across, the total voltage supplied by the source will be available at here. The voltage across the load will become the 0. Then output voltage is the 0. Now the for negative side is voltage represents the 0. Same positive side is again voltage is like this. Voltage is like this. Understand? This is about the negative series clipper operation. This is for positive cycle and this is for the negative cycle. Next type, negative series clipper with positive VR. If we are using the positive VR, so look at here. So positive VR, this is the not V0, this is the VR. VR means reference voltage. Positive V is starting position positive, ending position is the negative. Okay, better to draw the first VR to understand the operation. First draw this the VR and plus VM, negative VM. Clear? Clear. So now look at for positive wave cycle. For positive wave cycle, this VR is generally, VR is applied across this VR. This shows it will, so for positive wave, for positive wave, if input is less than VR, first condition, if input is less than VR, what happened? VR is here and this is less than VR. Less than VR means it will become open circuit. It will become open circuit means then like this. It will become open circuit means then it shows circuit is like this. Understand? The circuit is like this. Then the output voltage V0 is become the this VR. V0 is become the VR. That means negative portion less than VR, it represents only reference voltage. That's why that is the for less than VR. This is the less than VR and this is the less than VR and this is the less than VR. This portion is the less than VR. For every portion that is voltage, that is only voltage. Next, for negative half cycle. For negative half cycle. For the negative half cycle, if the input voltage is more than VR. If the input voltage is more than VR, what happened? Then it is forward biased. Then it is forward biased. Then it is forward biased means, so then it is forward biased means we acts as the short circuit. Then the total output will be available across the load. Total load will be available across the load. That means V0 is become Vi. Then the input waveform follow the output will follow the input here. Output will follow the input. Understand? So this is the negative series clipper with positive VR. Look at here. Negative is removed and more than the reference voltage, it is only the positive VR. Okay. Next. And this is biased. This is biased. This is unbiased. The reason is there is no reference voltage, there is no biasing voltage. In the second case, it is biased because here the bias voltage is available. The next is negative series clipper with negative VR. So this is the negative series clipper and this is the negative VR. So for that purpose, so for first case, for positive half cycle, if it is for the positive half cycle means, so input voltage means greater than minus VR. Input voltage means greater than minus VR. Look at here. So here this is the VR. This negative VR is appear here and this is the positive VR. This is the positive side. Then automatically it will act as positive voltage is more compared with the negative n-type voltage. Then it will act as the short circuit. It will act as the short circuit and this is the resistance and this is the VR. Then what happened? The total voltage R and VR. This is the input voltage and this is the output voltage. The total voltage will be available across the load. The total voltage is available across the load. That's why this is, so more than VR, this is more than reference voltage. It will follow the input curve. It will follow the input curve. That means, so negative VR is a dotted line and this is the, it follow like this. And for negative half cycle, next case is for negative half cycle. If the input voltage is less than minus VR, this portion less than minus VR, what happened? This is the minus VR, this is the less. Then automatically it will become open circuit. So this is the input voltage and this is the open circuit, a resistor, and sorry, this is the negative VR, resistor, and the negative VR. Don't forget the symbols. Symbol will decide the waveform shaping. That's why don't forget the symbol. The resistor, this is the VR. The total voltage will be dropped here, but the output voltage is this value. Then the output voltage is become the minus VR. Where is minus VR? This is the minus VR. So same procedure it will follow up to this short and the minus VR. Understand? So negative shunt. Now the next is, this is about the negative series clippers. Look at here. This is negative series clipper. First thing, negative series clipper. Negative portion is removed here and positive portion is only available. Next, negative series clipper with positive VR. Positive VR means we are in positive side of waveform. That's why it is available only upper side of the reference voltage, positive side. Next, third, negative series clipper with negative VR. Look at here. This is the negative VR. That's why the portion above the negative reference voltage is only available. That is negative series clipper with the negative VR. And the next portion is, next type is negative shunt clipper. Here name itself, this is the shunt clipper. Shunt clipper means what happened? This diode and the load, diode and the load, this load is the generally R load, this load is the R load, this diode and the load both are in the parallel connection. Look at here, diode and the load both are in the parallel connection. Negative means it will remove the negative. How it removes we will discuss here. First, for positive half cycle, for positive half cycle, look at here, for positive half cycle what happened? So positive sign is applied to the negative and negative sign is applied to the positive. It will become open circuit. It will become open circuit means, so positive and negative, so resistor is there and it will become the open circuit, and we have the resistor is there, that is the V0 load, nothing but this is the output. Then the total input will available at the output. Consider this is R value is very low, R is very low, that's why the drop is very less. Approximately now the V0 value is approximately equal to input voltage, that's why the total voltage will be available for positive half cycle. So look at wherever the positive half cycle, here is the positive half cycle, the complete voltage will be available at here. Next, look at for the negative half cycle. For second case is for negative half cycle. What happened for negative half cycle? Negative half cycle means take it negative and positive. For this we have a resistor, and for negative half cycle what happened? Just observe here, this is the negative and positive, and for the negative half cycle this will become negative and positive. Negative is connected to negative and positive is connected to positive. This is in series connection. So this is in forward bias. That's why diode become the short circuited. Then here is the resistor. So wherever the diode becomes short circuited, this is the voltage across this branch is 0 and this branch is parallelly connected to this, then automatically the output V0 is 0. Output V0 is 0 means this is the, it shows the output voltage. Same as for input voltage, it shows the positive wave and it shows the 0 voltage. Okay, this is for the negative shunt clipper. This is for the negative shunt clipper. Same as we have the another type, negative shunt clipper with the positive VR. Negative shunt clipper with the positive VR. That means negative portion is removed more than the VR. That means observe here simply negative shunt clipper, name itself. So that I can write like this. So positive will be available, but it is more than the VR. So if it is less than VR, it will become directly VR. It will become directly VR. Think, understand. Otherwise, you can solve this. You will get this. So negative shunt clipper with negative VR also. So here the negative VR is there, negative shunt clipper is there. So this is the negative portion. Look at, and this is the constant, and this is the negative shunt clipper, and this is the constant. Look at, yes. So here for input voltage less than is less than VR, input voltage is less than VR, the voltage will be 0. If the input voltage is greater than VR, the output voltage is nothing but equal to input voltage. Here we can write the equation: if the input voltage is greater than minus VR, then output voltage equal to minus VR, because this is the minus, this is the 0. And if the input voltage is greater than minus VR, the output voltage is less than minus VR, the output voltage is nothing but the input voltage. If the input voltage is more than the minus VR, the output voltage is equals to minus VR. Okay, minus VR. So these are the negative clippers. Negative clippers. So negative clippers are two types: negative series clippers and negative shunt clippers. Okay, do practice. So divide these diodes for positive and negative. You will understand each and every waveform. Okay, it is not difficulty, it is very easily when you analyzing and divided for the both positive and reverse bias cases. Okay, the next clipper is combinational clipper. Actually, when we are discussing about the types of clippers, generally you know that the initially positive type and negative type only we discussed about two things, but we have the another type, that is combinational. Combinational means combining the both positive and negative clippers. Combination of both positive and negative clippers. That's why its name is combinational clipper. So here, when a portion of both positive and negative half cycles of the V input is to be clipped, combinational clipper is employed. Okay, if you want to clip away both positive portion as well as negative portion, two things, then we have to use the combinational clipper. So here we will write a point: positive and negative portions are clip away. So up to now, for positive clippers, it controls only positive portion. Positive portion is clipped. For negative clippers, it is only negative portion. But combination of both will be done by these combinational clipper. Okay. So the combination clipper diagram is like this. That is, we have a diode which consisting of the V1 positive reference voltage, and parallel to this diode we have another diode D2, that is negative reference voltage with negative reference voltage V2, and which is parallelly connected to the low resistor RL, and that RL is nothing but we will take the output, input will be here. This is the source resistance. Assume that R is less value. Assume R is low. R is low. Okay. Now we will discuss each and every cycle. So generally we have how many reference voltages we have? We have an input voltage and reference voltage V1 and reference voltage V2. Then we will understand the each and everything. Generally reference voltage V1 is much greater than the V2. Much greater than the V2. Look at here, V2 is negative value, V1 is positive value, and V input is varied between those varied. So we will discuss each and every cases, then how this combinational clipper working as the clipper we will discuss here. The first point, in this first point we will discuss if input voltage is less than V2. That means, that meaning is, look at here, this is the V2, this is the V2. If the input voltage is less than V2 at this part, so we are discussing about at this part, less than V2 means at this part, what happened? So look at here, so better to change the pen, then it is very easy. So generally this is the negative, and generally this is the negative, and it is applied this value means this is also a low value, this is more negative, that's why D2 is short circuit. But look at here, here the reverse bias, D1 will be open circuited and D2 will be short circuited. Now we will draw the diagram to understand easily. So for that purpose, if V input is less than V2, then what happened? Here D2 is short circuited, write down that. Here D2 is short circuited, so that's why I can write like this. I will read on this, that is the resistor, and the diode is open circuited because negative supply is there. Here the positive is there, and this is the short circuited, and this is the V2, V1 and V2, and this is the RL. This is the RL and the output voltage. Output voltage V0 is there, and this is the input voltage. So now you observe the path for the current. The current will flow the low chosen current. Current will choose this path. Current will choose in this path, and maybe some of the current will flow like this. But whichever it will choose, it requires less cut in voltage and it has some current, but the voltage across this region, this RL, voltage across V0 equal voltage across load resistance is nothing but the V2 here. Voltage across load resistance is nothing but the V2 here. So we will draw for this case, for this portion, the voltage across this is the V2. So V2 means we have a straight line. We have the straight line here. Okay. Next condition. The next condition is second case. In the second case, for the second case, we need to look at the we need to look at the again so second case, observe here, we need to look at this portion. This portion means between, we need to look at this portion. draw the again dotted line, and this is closed path. Okay, so we need to look at this area. This area is between V2 and V1 area. V2 and V1 area. So now we will go for the second case. The second case is the input voltage is more than V2 and less than V1. In that case, we will discuss about that. So for that purpose, so now we will write here V2 is negative, this is more than this V2. This is more than this V2. This is positive. That's why D2 is open circuited, and V1 is high and it is less than V1. This portion is less than V1, this portion is more than V2. That's why these two are open circuited. So just simply draw this. Just simply draw this. This resistance, and this is the resistance, and both will be open circuited. Diode 1 will be open circuited, and it has some diagram. This is also the open circuited. It has some diagram, and it has the load resistance. It has the load resistance, and it is the V0. It is the V0. Therefore, the total input voltage, this is the low resistance, the total input voltage will be available at the load. Then in that case, the output voltage is nothing but the input voltage simply. So for that case, so if you draw this, it follows. So we have to draw the waveform, that is output. For the second case, observe here the output voltage equal to the input voltage. So we have to draw the waveform. Already this waveform is drawn. Now you have to draw up to this. You have to draw up to this. Next, third case. So in the third case, you have to look at the third case. We can write it as input voltage is more than the V2. Look at here. Look at here. Here, not V2. This is V1. Sorry. Input voltage is more than V1. Look at here. This is the V1 is the case positive, and this is the more. This is the high output voltage. Starting is the high, then it will be on. So it is on actually. So it is the on. Understand? This is the on condition. So that's why we will redraw the circuit is like this. That is, so sinusoidal voltage, the resistor, and this diode will be on, and it has positive V1. And next, the diode will be off. This is the off, and this is the negative V2, and this is the load resistance. This is the load resistance. Now it is the V0. Now it is the V0, right? So we can write, now we will write like this. The total input voltage will be flow through this curve. The branch across the voltage is V1. That's why the same voltage input, same voltage is V1. Then the output voltage also the V1. Output voltage also the V1. So directly, so more than this case, you can write the, you can draw the output voltages like this. That is, this follow this curve, and this follow this curve. Understand? Right. This follow this curve. This is the straight line. Right. So here the output voltage is equal to the input voltage whenever the input voltage is more than the, in this case the output is like this. Between it follows the input. After this, it will equal to the V2. It will equal to the V2, right? Yes. So this is about the combinational clipper. Combinational clipper. Okay. Thank you.